Do you have restless legs at night? Do you have trouble sleeping because your legs have so much energy they just want to run and dance? Where is all that energy coming from? Your food. You probably ate too late. Food creates energy. That's the purpose of food. It takes about an hour or two for food to digest and turn into energy, and that energy has to go somewhere. So if you ate within 2 to 3 hours of going to bed, your mind will be having all kinds of wild dreams and your legs will want to party all night long. So the next time you think about eating, remember the real purpose of food, to give you energy. Also, those of you who have my green formula already know this. It gives you up to 5 hours of energy, so do not take the Marcus Green formula after 5 or 6 p.m. or you'll want to stay up all night long. Do you have leg cramps at night? That's where your legs feel electrocuted in a different way, especially the back of the legs. They hurt because the muscles are tightening too much because the food you're eating isn't giving them the proper nutrients they need, the main one being magnesium. There is very little magnesium left in the soil nowadays, so the food we eat has very little of this vital mineral. It's super important for our body and the first thing paramedics give someone when they have a heart attack because your heart is a muscle also. Magnesium is great for relaxing you. It's great for stress, relaxing hypertension and blood pressure, as well as relaxing the muscles in your legs. So get some magnesium powder and try taking 2 teaspoons at night with a small glass of water. A good common brand is Calm. It will help calm your nerves, relax your muscles, and make your body feel great. There's also magnesium in my night formula, which helps you sleep really good. But what if your legs are cramping and you don't have magnesium? Well, do this. Use your hand and pull all 5 toes back at the same time as hard as you can, as far back as they will go. This stretches the muscles in your foot and the back of your legs. This should help you make it through the night until you can go buy some magnesium the next day. And remember to stop eating 2 to 3 hours before bed and don't take the Marcus Green formula for 4 to 5 hours before bed. Subscribe to this channel and also marcusnews.com for all kinds of great life-changing tips and recipes.
Bye-bye!